Hello everyone. So my first video is regarding the motto of my channel. So my channel name is Learn DevOps with Harsha. So what will be the motto of the channel is to complete 150 DevOps in 150 days. To complete DevOps in 150 days. So who can follow this channel? The one who is fresher, want to learn DevOps and want to get into the IT field. Second, the one who is in working profession, want to upgrade their role. The one who hate the coding. So we'll be covering theory plus practical. So I just want to request you guys to subscribe this channel. The only one who is really willing to make change in themselves and want to upgrade and want to get industry ready. So no need to worry, I will teach everything from scratch, from like zero. Will go and become a pro in what? DevOps. So keep subscribe my channel and follow me and stay updated. And also at the end, bonus point, I will also be giving job reference on this channel. So the one who really want to make changes in their life, please subscribe, follow.